So it's 9:05 now, and we should be leaving at 9:35, but we haven't even started boarding. So I guess that's out the window. Expected to leave about 10 or after 10. So by the time I land, it'll be more than 3 hours delay. Jolting. All we got for it was €4, yeah, off at one cafe. So €4, a bottle of water. So yeah, so a 3 hour delay got me a bottle of water. And anyway, we go to Poland. Message them not to say I'm gonna be late to the hotel. I wasn't even planning to vlog this bit, yeah. Because I'm over tonight still. I'm not over tonight, but gotta get a sneak peek of this bottle. Hold on! I might have stumbled into some crazy.
Shout out to you guys.
Like this would. You man seen how tough this is right now. I know it's a little bit dark in here right now, but yo, this is absolutely tough. Like, just take it in a second. Yeah, this is a cup.
You want this one?
Yeah.
That's your Paweł?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, that's cold.
Że po prostu zwariowała, wiesz?
Yeah, gdzie to maska?
It's for you. Gift. Japanese gift.
Yeah?
It's for eating.
Is it like a fortune cookie?
Yeah.
No, it's like the dry fruit.
Dry fruits and like
Oh, okay. I'll say less.
Yes, waffle, long sleeve. Okay.
Thank you, yeah?
That's for you.
Thank you, my friend, thank you.
So yeah, ended up going shopping at one spot called the Grill Point. Got some fire jumper, Corty jumper from there. Yeah, that's looking tough. But I got like 2 hours before I gotta go shooting. So I'm just gonna set it in, really find a spot to take off the drone, and just keep walking around, see what they got going on. I was really supposed to go Auschwitz, but Auschwitz money just went on shopping stuff.
If you have any questions, just ask.
Okay. Hey, man. I got everything. Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Drop gun high. Finger off trigger. Left underneath this thumb. Stick it in here. Press. On the side of the gun, that's it. Close them, lower your thumbs. Use that finger. Wrap it around handle, hold it tight. Arm straight, elbow straight. Now, point the gun on target center. Shoot at target 4. You see 4?
Yeah.
Remember, it's one eye to aim, close another one, and focus on sights. Close, 3, and level. Point them at target center. When you're ready, smooth squeeze the leg. Don't pull it fast. What are you shooting? You're shooting at the lower target. You need
Lower
to focus
4, yeah.
on sights, then pull the trigger. Lean bit forward, barely standing. Lean, lean. That's it. Way much easier and funnier. Let's do SMG. Here we go. High to your arm, bring it high here. What's that?
Which one am I shooting at now?
Choose your target. Lean forward. Find red dot to the scope. Press and hold that button at the rear. Good to go. Make a quick pull on trigger. Top. And again. Top. Beautiful. Easy peasy. Everything in the control it. It'll kick. And use the front grip. Pump it. Pull it back.
Yeah.
Pull, push. To go. Fire at will. Reload.
Jesus Christ.
Beautiful. That's what we wanted. All we wanted. Good shit.
Yeah.
You sure it's on?
Yes. Yeah, it was make sure, you know. See, the good thing he said, you know, it wasn't on again. Now it's.
Righty, here we go.
Okay.
High, tight.
To the
grab
chest.
it. At the front, grip, lean onto it. You got two targets, shoot whatever you want. Dot. Beautiful. Let me check it. Currency shoot empty. With the submachine gun now. AR-15 or pistol?
Let's go pistol first.
Here we go. High. Smooth pull. Don't rush. Take your time. Smooth pull till end.
Yo, listen, yeah. That one is the Glock has a way bigger kick than you expect.
Here we go. High tight to your arm, lean onto it, tighten it on target center. Now we can shoot at the lower target.
Lower
Ready, go,
target.
dog?
Yep.
Make a tap when you're ready.
The MP5 was 30 and the AR-15 was 30 as well. But yeah, now the what was the first one I had? Was that a Colt?
We were shooting with a CZ pistol.
CZ
That was
pistol.
checkmate,
Yeah.
sport type pistol. It's
Yeah,
heavy, it's only for...
That one's nice though. That one. Cool. I have no idea how that footage actually looks here because obviously I ain't seen it yet. But that was fun as hell, man. Show 10s and 9s, you get me only. Alright then. You know, say Gulag Bully. You know, say the Gulag Bully really shoots in real life, you get me? Let's show them man them what guns and it.
Here's my card.